Hello everybody, it is Indy Meets Disney and we are super excited because we have received our very first ever subscription box. We have wanted to do this forever and we are super excited to share in this moment with you.
We are. So we've got the Disney subscription box called Mickey Monthly and we can't wait to share it with you. Open it up, reveal all the contents. But before we do, like this video and become a subscriber to our YouTube family.
That's right. We'll be back in just a moment to see what is inside. I can hardly wait. Let's do this. We are so close to getting ready to dive into this box. The anticipation is starting to build. But before we dig in, we just want to walk you through a few things about Mickey Monthly and to share with you about this company, cost, and just some of the great things that they have if you're interested in getting your own subscription box. So Katie's going to walk you through the website here in just a moment.
Okay, we wanted to take you on a tour of the Mickey Monthly website. So they have a couple of different types of boxes. So they have, as you see here, their monthly boxes. So you can choose from the original Disney subscription box. You can choose a lounge fly and get a new lounge fly every month. You can get a Disney snack subscription box, or you can get a pen, authentic Disney trading pens. So you can see down here what the prices per month start at, plus shipping and handling. But I did want to take you really quickly to the original subscription box, just so you can see. So it mentioned that it starts at $19 a month, but you can choose which of these three options you want. So the Royal Bundle will give you a lot more magic for your buck, and that's going to start at $90 per month. You can also get the magic size, which is going to be a little bit less of the items inside, and that's going to be at $39 a month. And then that classic size is going to just have a couple of mystery items, and that's going to start at that price we mentioned, $19 per month. So those are options for you if you choose to do the monthly subscription. We did see that you can cancel at any time, and you can also skip months at any time as well. But what we decided to do instead of a monthly box, just because it's our first time, we wanted to make sure we enjoy Mickey Monthly, we chose their single boxes. So for the single box, what we chose right here is the $50 plus value, a mystery box, and it's on sale for only $29.99. So it's got $50 of merchandise inside, all for $29.99. What you see in this picture and this picture as well are just ideas of things that you might get inside of your box. It does not show you what you're actually going to be getting, but you get to have some choices when you decide to get the mystery box delivered to you. You can choose what gender you want the item geared towards. So you have the options of neutral, female, or male. And because this box is for Cedric and myself, we decided to go neutral so we both could enjoy it. You can also decide what age you want the items geared towards. So you can choose all ages if you want some kid items and then some older items as well. You can also choose for 18 plus years. So that's what we chose, is 18 plus years. So like we mentioned, it's going to come sent to us with a couple of mystery items that are going to have at least a $50 value. Ours is going to have that neutral gender, and it's going to be geared more for 18 plus years. We did read down here in the fine print that it usually takes about a week to ship, and then the merchandise pictured, like we mentioned, is just a sample. The actual items are a surprise mix, and they change each month. So you could get a mystery box for this month, and then decide, you know what, I'm going to get a mystery box next month. And those items are going to change inside of there.
The moment is here. We are ready to open this.
Okay, I've got my scissors. I'm ready to cut this tape. Are you guys ready? I'm so excited to find out what's in here. I don't think I've ever done like a subscription box ever in my life, let alone a Disney subscription box. It's perfect for us.
Yes. Well, hold on. Before we do this, though, I don't think we're dressed for the occasion. Oh. We need to fix that. So let's do this. All right, we are fully dressed in our Disney best.
Yes, we are. Very
appropriate now for our box. So let's dive into this box. Yes. I am so ready. Let's do this.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. This box is really, really beautiful. And I feel like the people, if they've already watching this far, they really need to at least admire this beautiful box with us. So look at this beautiful box, Mickey Monthly, but all around it are these amazing quotes, all from Walt Disney himself.
Yeah, that's really cool.
Yeah.
I'm glad they took that little extra time and put that little extra touch on there. Makes it extra special, I think, when you receive this box and you see all those cool quotes from Disney on there.
Very cool. Okay, and on that note, for real this time?
I think so.
Okay,
For real
this time, guys.
All
Here we
right.
go.
Let's finish opening it up. One more piece here.
Oh,
I
gosh.
think you got that fifth piece.
Yep.
All right.
Okay,
There we go.
here we go. Oh,
Oh,
my
There's even a
goodness.
little competition here. So you can go, it says, win our monthly prize. So you can take a photo of your box, post on Facebook or Instagram, and then win a random winner on the 10th of every month. So an opportunity for you to win in their monthly prize. So that's kind of cool. So encouraging people to show off what they got in their box.
Very
All the
cool.
cool little fireworks going off there. Look at your cool box that
celebration in our house, that's for
you got. So
sure.
that's awesome. So we've opened up our box and we have seen our first item inside. Nicely wrapped in there. So what do we have?
Okay, got lots of stuff in it. Okay, so we've got Disney Fantasia, a mug, a sculpted ceramic mug. So take a look at that. We've got the Sorcerer Mickey. I'm loving the detail of the mug handle.
That is really cool. It's one
got
of the
that
brooms.
from it. Very cool.
I should open up, take a look at it.
Absolutely. So I will say it's really well packaged inside of here. Like nothing's gonna break with everything that's
Right, all this extra like insert of the shredding stuff. That's
oh my
really cool.
goodness. I'm a tea drinker, so I am super excited. It is hand wash only and do not microwave. So that's gonna be a little complicated to drink my tea. But this is
That's
really,
such a
really
cool cup.
beautiful.
Yeah.
So Fantasia on this side, Walt Disney's Fantasia. And then you spin it around and you can see Sorcerer Mickey with the broom. And then that really, really cool broom handle stick. Be able to hold on to your mug.
That's awesome.
I really
I
like
love that.
this. And then it's just plain black on the inside. Cool.
That was a really cool first
It
little
is.
surprise in our box.
Yep. So Disney merchandise, not a toy. It is definitely made out of glass, so it is breakable. So that's why it probably is not dishwasher or microwave safe.
Yeah, and that's a nice large size cup too.
It really is, yeah.
You'd have a couple cups of tea in there.
Definitely.
So.
I'm excited about that. So
Yeah.
I can definitely use it with our K-Cup maker, our Keurig. Be able to just pour the coffee right into there, the tea right into there.
Yeah, very cool.
Okay.
All right, let's see what we have next.
You go for it.
So, check this out. So it is a Loungefly official keychain.
Oh.
So we have
Is that from the
everyone's
movie?
favorite little elephant there,
Dumbo.
Dumbo. Yeah, and he's holding on to some
I
balloons.
saw the balloons and I felt up at first,
There.
so Dumbo.
So that's really cool. So like I said, it's an official Loungefly licensed Disney keychain with Dumbo on it. So that's really, really nice.
That's really cute.
And
We
you
have
know,
some friends-
Loungefly, that's got to be worth quite a bit. So that's
Absolutely.
really cool.
We have some friends that love Dumbo that would love, love, love this Loungefly keychain. This is really adorable. And I know they make Dumbo Loungeflies nowadays too, so this would be the perfect thing to hang from your Dumbo Loungefly.
Yeah.
Or any Loungefly. I'm hanging it from mine. Really cute.
That is. That's an awesome addition.
Very nice. Okay. What else is in here?
All right. Go for it.
Do we think this is something or is that
I think that might be just an ad.
okay? Oh, we've got some Jelly Bellies, Minnie Mouse Jelly Bellies. That's great.
Yeah.
Okay, the original gourmet jelly bean. I wonder what makes them Minnie Mouse. Just the colors?
Yeah, I think maybe just the colors. Looks like.
Okay. Fun. I'm not a jelly bean fan myself, but this guy is, so.
Yeah, I'm interested to dig into those and try those out. I always love me some Jelly Bellies. So, yeah, it looks like a dark pink, a light pink, and a blue
Okay.
in there. So, a cotton candy, a bubble gum, and a berry blue, maybe.
Okay.
So, yeah, this will be really good. Yeah. nice little treat.
Absolutely.
So, Jelly Belly is good quality jelly beans too.
They definitely are.
So,
especially when you're
that's
Minnie
fun.
Mouse.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.
Is there anything else
Anything
in there?
else in here? Oh yeah, seeing something in here. Oh, look at this. Some Mickey Mouse hand soap. Some official Disney Mickey Mouse foam hand soap.
Very
Check that
cool.
out. So yeah.
I love, and it's foaming hand soap, my favorite kind of hand soap, by the way. Very nice.
Very cool. Yeah.
That's awesome. I wonder if it has a special scent to it.
Doesn't say anything about
Doesn't
special
say anything.
scent.
It's just blue, so that's really cool. We're almost out of hand soap in our house. This is perfect timing.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mickey Mouse. We've got a little Minnie, got a little Mickey. I like it.
So far, this box is not disappointing. These are some great
No,
little items in
They
here.
really are. Yeah. Okay. Is there anything else?
Okay, I saw one.
Oh,
at
I
least
feel
one more
something
thing.
else.
I think I saw.
A pen. So we are not really super into the whole pen trading
I
thing.
have the urge to get into pen
We
trading,
have had the
especially now we have a
urge.
little girl. I think
Yes.
it's about time to start getting into some pen trading.
That's what I was just gonna say. Like, we have never been pen traders, but I feel like this is kind of the time in our life where we're gonna step towards that. So look, it's Frozen. I almost said Tangled. Don't know where that came from. We've got Olaf. He's riding on top of Sven, right? And he's got those little snow monsters hanging
Little
out on his
babies, little
back.
snow babies.
Very
It's a
cute.
cool little pen.
Very cute. Now I want to say this is actually Disney merchandise, like from the Disney parks.
Yeah.
Because typically when you
Disney
see that
stores.
kind of barcode kind of thing with this color on it, silver, that tells you that it's from the actual Disney parks. So very cool. Oh, it says pen trading Disney parks right there.
Okay.
So yeah, missed that detail at first. Anything else in this mystery
That
box?
might be it. But I am impressed. That
Yeah.
was some great items in there.
For real.
So yeah, I think that might be it.
Okay.
But yeah, that was great.
If you have a hamster, I mean, there you go. free betting for it. So
But yeah, that box did not disappoint. For $30, this is a great little box.
absolutely.
Great items.
So just to recap what we saw, we've got that adorable Fantasia mug with the handle. So cute. So cute. Sorcerer Mickey. And then we open up the Loungefly keychain. We've got that Dumbo with his balloons floating. I think that is just adorable. Super cute. Then we opened up our Minnie Mouse Jelly Bellies. Hoo hoo hoo. We've got our Mickey Mouse soap. Mickey's not to be outstaged by Minnie Mouse. He's got to be appearing twice, it looks like. And then we've got our very cute Frozen official Disney pin.
Yeah. So that was so much fun.
It
I
was.
enjoyed it. What did you think?
I thought that was a lot of fun. I love the suspense, and I love the idea of like, okay, what could this mystery be? I think
Right.
it's also cool that each month with the mystery box, you're going to get something different. So
Right. And $30 for all that, I think that's a great deal.
yeah, overall, I think that is a pretty decent deal. So
And it was just fun not knowing what you're going to get and just being surprised by, what somebody else picked for you.
yeah,
These are maybe not things that I would necessarily get for myself, but I think they're all great items that we will probably use.
absolutely. Yeah,
So.
I can see us using every single one of them in some way. So yeah, super fun.
We thought we were completely through the box. We thought we had to open everything. We thought we got some great stuff
We did.
for the money.
Yeah,
But
it might be the save the best for last.
wait, there is more. We were totally shocked. So there was this envelope in here, and we thought it was just an advertisement trying to get you to buy something else, happy
Right.
place signs, and there's 20% off on your first order. So we thought, oh, it's just a coupon for that. But no, we were totally wrong.
There's more.
Inside is this super awesome sign of Hollywood Tower of Terror.
That is so beautiful. It is completely like carved in wood, and it's just adorable.
Yeah.
I don't even know how somebody does that.
So someone like would burn it
Uh-huh.
on there. So that is so cool.
That has such detail to it.
I am so glad that we found that. We did not miss it. We did not just throw it away.
Right, we've been really sad.
That was awesome. That is a definitely extra bonus addition to this box.
Yes, for sure.
Definitely not something we were anticipating. Definitely not something you could just pick up anywhere.
Yes.
That is awesome.
Yeah, that is a very unique item. So we are very thankful. We were excited for all the other things, but this is like super duper unique. So we are happy.
Yeah.
Happy, happy, happy. So we hope that you guys really enjoyed seeing what we found inside of our Mickey monthly box as well. Let us know if you think it's something that you would want to check out at some point in your life. Whether you just do the one-time box like we're doing for now, the surprise box, or whether you get like one of those other subscriptions. But we appreciate you watching this video. If you haven't already, like this video, become a subscriber to our YouTube family, and until next time, we will see you real soon. Bye,
Bye,
everybody.
guys.